Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to our series on building a website using the Zyro website builder. In this series we are covering step by step exactly how to create a website using Zyro website builder. In the previous video we covered all of the AI tools that Zyro has to offer, including their content writer, their heat map, the logo maker and things like that. In previous videos we've also covered how to build out certain parts of the website, including the header and the footer and the homepage. So if you haven't watched those yet, I recommend giving them a watch and then coming back here, because in today's video we will talk about adding an online store and editing all the features that Zyros have to offer for online e-commerce. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our web development tips and tutorials. So let's get started. So you can see here we have our website and we've got all the pages here. It's now time to add our e-commerce section. So if you go to the website builder panel here, you can see we've got the online store tab here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to click on the online store and we're going to click on add store. And you'll see a few new tabs come up here. We've got the store tab, which shows all of the store items, and we've got our shopping bag, which is pretty cool. If we go to pages and navigation, you can see that they've been added here, and we are actually going to remove this page as we don't need it. Same with this one as well. There we go. So we have our store section, and you can see if you go into online store, we've got our products all in here. These are all just placeholder products that are currently here, but what we're going to do is we're going to design the store page a little bit to add a bit more content, just make it a bit more human friendly. So we're going to click on add section, and you can again just see what sections look good and add pre-designed sections, or you can add a blank section. We are going to actually try adding in just this blank section here. And we are going to use the AI assist to write a paragraph about our content marketing sessions, and ask them to generate some text for us. I'm going to change the background a little bit. And just rearrange the sections. Services, and we're going to sell our service sessions. I'm going to edit the button slightly and change the color so it stands out a bit more. So the fill color we're going to change to green, and actually we'll remove that as we don't need it, and we want people to see the products as soon as possible. Perfect. And again, we're just going to quickly check that on mobile. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the auto fix layout to fix the layout really quickly, and done. So now we have the actual product section, and what we're going to do is we're going to save what we have so far. Then we're going to go into online store and we're going to click on manage products and start actually adding products that we're actually going to sell. So we're going to click on manage products. So the first thing that we're going to do is name your online store, and we're just going to name it profile tree and continue, and just you want to select this country and the currency, and this will just set up your account on an admin level. And now we have our store manager. So there's a sort of checklist of things that you need to do. First up being adding products, then adding your online payments, and then reviewing your company information. So we're going to start with adding our products. And first thing you do is choose a product type. Is it a physical product that people can pick up or collect? Is it a digital product that can be downloaded? Is it a service, donation, things like that? They do have an appointment option where you can set the option for users to book an appointment. It is currently in beta mode, so it's still some bugs there to work out. In this example, we're going to be offering our abilities as a product, so essentially our services. So we're going to add an image, and so the first service that we're going to add is the web development service. And we're going to add the image. And we are going to add the title. We can add a subtitle if you want, or you can add a ribbon, and this will add some features onto the actual listing. But we'll leave that for now, and instead we'll do AI assist for the description. And you can see we typed in some content and we have some descriptions written by our AI assist as well. We're going to take a good read through it and edit anything that we need to, but so far this looks good. You want to add the bag button and you want to add the price. So what we're going to do actually, development package. And we'll just add the price as well, and you can add a discounted price if you want to, and you can add different options. So this is really good for if there's any add-ons, or if your product, this is more useful for physical products. So if you're selling a t-shirt, for example, and the t-shirt is in different sizes or different colors, you can just add different options so people can buy a product that fits them. And you just want to type in the different options that it comes in. And just click save. So you can see the options. You can have a different price for the different options as well. We are actually just going to remove this for now because it doesn't apply here. And then that's it. You can decide if you want the product to be visible or hidden. That just means if it's available for users to buy or not. If you're adding in a product but it's not available just yet, you can keep it hidden so users can't buy it. And then once you're done, you just click save. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to remove the placeholder products. And we're just going to do the same thing for all of them. I'm just going to duplicate them and just change the name, but essentially it's the same process for all of them. You add image, you choose what type it is, and you fill in all the details step by step. And just one more. And just save. Perfect. So now we have our product saved, and now we just need to make sure that they are showing up on our website. So we're going to go to our editor. And once we go back to the store, you can see we've got our packages here. I'm just going to save that to make sure they show everything. And we click into it, and we can also see this section here, and this template is already designed out. We've got the title, we've got the description, and you can add more sections to add to this, but right now we can leave it as is. But yeah, so that is as simple as that. If we go back to our online store and go to Manage Store, and if you click on the preview, we can check the store, and we can see we've got the add to bag. Checkout is disabled in preview mode, but you can see the shopping bag is just here and they can access it anytime. So overall, Zyro's e-commerce platform includes a variety of features that make it easier to manage your online store. You've got product management, so you can easily add, edit, and manage your products. They also support a variety of payment processors, including PayPal, Stripe, and Amazon Pay. They also integrate with popular shipping carriers like USPS, FedEx, and DHL. And Zyro uses SSL encryption to protect your data's privacy. It's quite easy to use, it's affordable, the e-commerce plans are very affordable, and the e-commerce platform includes a variety of features that you need to create a successful online store. Some tips for using Zyro's e-commerce is to choose the right e-commerce plan. Zyro offers a variety of e-commerce plans, so choose the one that's right for your needs. Consider factors like the number of products your plans can allow you to sell and the features that you'll need. We'll talk a little bit more about Zyro plans in our next video when we go to launch. But the other thing you need to consider is your design. So as we've seen, Zyro offers e-commerce templates, but you can also customize your store and the current template that you have to match a design that you think would work best. Add high quality products and image descriptions, really important for e-commerce customers. And once your store is set up, you need to promote it so that people know about it. And you can do that through online advertising, social media, and marketing as well. So overall, the e-commerce builder is really good using Zyro and quite easy to use as well. Join us in our next video as we finally launch our website. We'll go over some of the hosting plans and some last minute things to check before you go live. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and thumbs up if you have, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.